I believe it has happened to everyone that you planned an event or task and then had to cancel it. To avoid confusion, a canceled event or task should be removed from the calendar. So, in today's video, I will show you how to delete an event or task from Google Calendar. Let's get started. Open the Google Calendar app on your phone or laptop. Find the event you want to remove. Then open it. Press the three dots in the top right corner. Click on the Delete field. In the window, press Delete again. The event will be deleted from your calendar. Now I will delete a task. Find and open the task you want to delete. Then press the three dots in the top right corner. Press Delete. Press Delete again in the window. And the task is successfully deleted from the calendar. If this tutorial helped you, like it and comment. For more tutorials, check out and follow the channel.